Hello K-Fam! For today's video guys, Coriaco Philippine would like to announce na dumating na yung mga bagong batch ng upgraded na 3610. So guys, mas pinatibay na yung mga upgraded version na dumating dahil naka-copper na yung F-connectors natin. So yung before kasi ng mga 3610, always na-turn yung pinaka-F connector. So sa mga bagong batch na dumating, mas pinatibay na siya since fully copper na yung connectors niya. So ngayon guys, papakita ko rin step by step on how to extract, how to make your latte, and then technique para maganda yung foam nyo for your latte art. So guys, let's start. First, kuha muna tayo ng coffee beans and then let's grind. Kuha lang tayo ng 18 grams na coffee beans. Yan, so 18 grams. And let's grind it on our DF54 na white. Remove ko lang yung bellow pa, rubber bellow. Pump lang natin siya once wala na tayong marinig na sounds, pump lang natin para ilabas niya yung mga excess or yung mga retention na naiiwan. And tamp lang natin siya here sa portafilter natin. Before natin siya i-distribute, use muna tayo ng WDT or nung needle distributor para ma-lessen or ma-avoid yung pagka-channeling natin. Next, distributor guys. Yan. So, after we distribute guys, yan, pag firm na siya, let's tamp. Yan. So, calibrated tamper guys. So, before natin siya ilagay sa group head, don't forget always to purge. Yan. And after we purge, lagay lang natin tong pack screen para hindi masyadong madumihan yung group head. So let's start our extraction guys. So here's our extraction. 25 seconds, let's off. So after we extract guys, remove the portafilter and let's knock it on our dito sa may station natin. So next guys, turo ko muna or ipakita ko sa inyo kung paano ba yung proper positioning ng steaming pitcher sa steaming 1. So since si 3610, single hole lang yung gamit natin sa kanya, first, ang gagawin nyo muna is purge. So after we purge guys, ang next natin gagawin, let's position our steaming 1 sa steaming pitcher. So guys, ang proper positioning ng steaming 1 natin doon sa pitcher, always yan guys, you don't need to submerge fully. Sa una guys So pag ganyan kasi guys, sinubmerge nyo siya, mahihirapan tayong kumuha ng enough air or enough foam. So, ang gagawin lang natin guys, nakaangat siya ng konti. So, ganito, from the center. And then you can tilt to 3 o'clock to create whirlpool or to create vortex. So, pag ganyan na yung position natin guys, on na natin max level, yung steaming nad natin. Kuha muna tayo ng foam. So pag nakuha na kayo ng enough foam guys, that's the time na ibababa nyo lang or isasubmerge nyo yung steaming wand natin. Yan. Always kailangan yan guys, i-check nyo kung nagkikreate ba siya nung vortex. Yan. So the indicator guys na pwede na yung gatas natin pag too much to handle na yung steaming pitcher. Pag di ko na siya kayang hawakan guys, that's the time or indicator na pwede na yung gatas. After guys, don't forget to wipe and then purge. And so here's our steam guys. Cover and top. Para mag-pop yung bubbles natin. Ganun po. And let's try to pour some latte art. So there you have it guys, nakagawa tayo ng latte using our CRM 3610 and then our DF54 grinder. So guys, if you're planning na mag-purchase, so available siya on our website which is koryako.com. So ang price nito guys for the machine is 9,898 pesos only. So makukuha lang siya for as low as 9,898 pesos. So meron din tayo guys, TikTok, Lazada, Shopee, available din siya guys. And then if you have further question, feel free to message us on our Facebook, Koryako Philippine. So yun lang guys, thank you.